For today's video, we will show you how to transfer money from Venmo to your bank account instantly. So let's begin. Alright, the first step is we need to add a bank account. If you haven't done so, this is the first step. So simply go to your mobile device and open the app. Or if you're using the web, go to venmo.com and log in using your credentials. And to add a bank account to your Venmo profile from a computer, just click here or select bank account and then follow the instructions on the page. Now, if you're using the mobile device on the app itself, go to the Me tab by tapping your picture or initials. Go to the Wallet section, tap Add a bank or card, and then select Bank. Of course, select your preferred verification method, right? So after doing so, if you're successful adding a bank account to your Venmo, here's how we can send money to your bank account. So you can send the money in your Venmo account to your bank using the standard or instant method. So if you are in the Venmo app, go to the Me tab again, then tap Add or Transfer. Under Wallet, some users may see a Manage button here instead. Now next, choose Instant. Be aware that it has a 1.75% fee, minimum of $0.25 and maximum of $25. Or it includes a 1 to 3 of business working days. That's for no fee, alright? That's for the instant. And tap transfer. So if you're rushing and you really badly needed the money or the transfer, just go instant. But it has a fee. But if you can patiently wait, just choose the 1 to 3 business days. Guaranteed no transfer fee. And please note that the transfers are reviewed, which could cause a delay or for funds to be frozen or removed from your Venmo account. So, is there a limit on bank transfers? Say if you have verified your identity with Venmo, your weekly rolling limit for bank transfers is $19,999 or $5,000 per transfer, and your limit will be set at $999.99 if you haven't verified your identity. And transfers can be declined for reasons other than the limit, alright? Now, can you rush your bank transfers? If you've already initiated a standard bank transfer, which is the 1 to 3 business days, there's no way for Venmo to expedite that already, right? Once you request a transfer, the money leaves the system and the money is sent to your bank to process, right? So what is the difference between instant transfers and standard bank transfer? Again, it's just that the standard transfer is free and the instant has a recurring fee, right? And if you have problems, say for example, you have problems transferring money from your bank account to your Venmo, just contact the Venmo app support and they'll be more than glad to assist you, alright? Just tell them your situation, that you are having problems transferring money from Venmo to your bank account. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.